Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sona Dogra and in today's session I'll be covering on how to plan your presentation or a meeting, and at the end I will also share some tips that would help you to connect with your audience in a better way. So let's get started. So when you start prepping your presentation or a meeting, first question that you should ask yourself is what you want to achieve with this meeting. That will help you to identify your key points. Ensure that your key points should not exceed more than 5, and then flesh out the details. Step number 2. So next step is write down and organize those points. As soon as you've done that, crack on with the introduction part, because that would hook up the listener's attention and would give them a roadmap. For example, normally presentations would start with the agenda that would have all 10 points listed there and presenter would just present it. Same as the meeting would just carry on as per the agenda. But the question is, a smart presenter would tell you what you want to achieve with that meeting, what is the end product of that meeting, and what is listener to expect it out of the meeting. So keep that in mind. For the body, just keep it simple. Ensure that your message is clear, concise, and focused. Just focus on declarative sentences because digression ultimately leads to confusion, and keep that in mind as a tip. Lastly, never ever conclude without summarizing your session. Summary is of a great importance because that reinforces all your points. So do have a summary at the end. So let's summarize the whole session. We started with identifying the key points, organizing them, then after that cracking on with the introduction. After that, with the body of the message, keep it simple. And last but not the least, for conclusion, to include a summary in it because that reinforces your points. I hope this video would help you to plan your presentations or your meetings in a better way. I would love to hear your thoughts, your messages in the section below. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel as well. And until then, I shall see you in my next video. Cheerio!